Hello and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. First up, this is not new. It's been around, but it's back again. It is a LED bottle stopper, and it's, I think, 8 hours. And you can put it in a bottle and it lights up. Or some people have the idea of getting a bottle, putting the napkin or tissue paper on it to cover it in a design, and then put the topper on, and you have a lighted up bottle for decoration. You can do it for anything. You can use it like Christmas or whatever holiday or whatever occasion you want to use it for. We have beads by, I think it's Cousin Corporation of America, made in India. The beads its amount is 8 grams, and it comes in like red, kind of reddish orange, green, yellow, purple, and a kind of bluish color. And I showed you the back so you can see the colors better. So I just wanted beads, 8 grams. This book may help someone you know, the anxious avocado. This tale follows our friend the anxious avocado as he encounters his various friends, from the concerned cookie and the worried waffle to the panicky peach. And friends help him handle his anxiety about starting at a new school. This is by Pure Squeeze. Coconut water. We know coconut water is like it's coming back again. It seems like it. And they have the original flavor. Well, they're both original. One with pulp and one without. And the one without pulp is 110 calories. And the one with pulp is 120 calories. We have Big Game energy drinks. The first one is called Cotton Candy. And there are the nutritional facts for cotton candy. Then we have Peach Passion. And finally, we have Sour Gummy, the Big Game energy drink. Clemente Jock, I think that's how you pronounce it. It is whole jalapeno peppers. It's a large can. It's 1 pound and 10 ounces, or just 26 ounces. So if you need whole jalapeno peppers. Hair styling gel that has argan oil, normal hold, shine, no flaking, 16 ounces, $1.25. Larry's Choice men's hair and beard styling. We have fiber wax with beeswax. I guess you can look into it to see exactly what each item is for. I guess it's either for the hair or the beard. Next, we have putty with beeswax. Then we have styling cream. That one is probably for the hair, and pomade. That can just be for the hair and beard. So, Larry's Choice. We have cat toys. Can you believe it? They're exactly the same brand, but different packaging. It says mild sauce, hot sauce, fuego sauce, and verde sauce. Meow. This may or may not be a repeat. This is by Crafter Squares, and it has different types of brushes, sponge brushes, regular brushes, paint brushes. So if you need a variety pack, this is it. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include 1, 2, or even more dollar plus items for you to enjoy. We have a plush toy, a little stuffed animal for $5, and it looks like a lamb, maybe? I'm not quite sure. Kind of looks like a lamb to me. This is a musical instrument play set by Toy Box. Toy Box has a lot of toys at Dollar Tree. It includes drums with strap, drumsticks, tambourine, harmonica, maracas, and a flute. This is a whirly rainbow ramp, ages 18 months and up, builds and innovates, cognitive growth, towering fun, for the young ones. Toy Box is doing a great job. Then we have the Slushy Slime Station. It is 40 pieces. Look at all these items you get. 6 slushy slimes. And that's what it comes with. You can pause and read it. Slushy Slime Station. It's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. And it's a skateboard studio 8 and up. Build, shred, and film. So I can just kind of film it to practice. Cool. Awesome find. This is awesome. You see this little bus carrying case, and it says take it on the go. So it's activity, books, and stickers, and markers. When you're driving, short distance, long distance. Wow, $3. A table light, multicolor lights, takes 3 AAA batteries. So you can put it on your table and maybe give a little ambiance because it's multicolor lights. Last but not least, for $3, you get an indoor extension cord for indoor use only, and it's 12 feet. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. My goal by the end of the year to have 1,000 subscribers. Tell all your friends and families and everyone. Don't forget to watch all my other videos, my DIYs, my hauls, my tutorials, my reviews. Like I always say, be blessed until next time and be better than yesterday.